Kaya pala mayroon din daw panawagan ng Senado ngayon na bumuo daw po ng National Contingency Plan sa loob ng 15 araw, Nelson, Kuya Benny.
Yes.
Na pakinggan niyo ba at narinig niyo ba yung sinabi na yan?
Hindi pa.
Saan ba yon? Ito, nasa pahina 8.
Basa.
Teka lang, nahanap ko eh. Tama ba ito? Oho. Ombudsman. Hindi itong ombudsman. Nasaan na ba yun?
Nawala.
Buffering.
Buffering.
Yan yung sinabi ni Senador Alan Cayetano.
Ito nga, oo.
Ano ba sabi ni Senator Alan?
Naghain pala siya ng ano ba ito?
Gusto mo pakinggan na lang natin para hindi ka na mahirapan.
Sige nga. Senador Alan Cayetano ba nagsabi? Sige nga, Senador Alan, pakinggan natin.
Upon consultation with the Senate President and the Majority Leader, sa page 3 po, we put 15 days, giving the national government leadership 15 days for a comprehensive national contingency plan. So on one hand, Mr. President, we did not put 60, 90 days kasi baka tapos na yung crisis o malalim na yung crisis or huling-huli na tayo if it takes that long. On the other hand, Mr. President, I do understand that it is easier to put certain contingencies quickly into action, but to put up one document where it's all together, publishable, understandable, something that can be communicated, is necessary, but it isn't that easy. So in consultation with the Majority Leader, Mr. President, we'll amend with the permission of the body, we'll amend, instead of submit within 15 days on line 25, submit as soon as possible.
Yeah, we suggested that, Mr. President, also through coordination with Senator Kiko Pangilinan. He also asked that maybe instead of putting a fixed number, kung kailan kaya, whenever possible, as soon as possible, Mr. President. So there being no objection to the motion of the good Minority Floor
It's in the
Leader.
form of a motion,
Yes, Mr. President, we move to approve his
subject to style.
subject to style. His
An objection? Hearing none, motion is approved, subject to style.
thank you. There
And,
being
and Mr. President, this is not without prejudice to the Executive Department coming out with memorandum circulars or directives case by case in certain, whether it's agriculture, whether it's transportation. But the intent of this is to have a comprehensive plan. Thank you, Mr. President. I think that's the only
Yep,
amendment.
that's it, Mr. President. There be no other members wish to
So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang Executive Department magre-report sa Senado kung ano ang kanilang magiging executive plan, ganun ba yun?
Okay, ganito ang paglatag dyan.
Oho.
Ikumpara natin yung nangyaring COVID-19 pandemic.
Oo nga, yan.
yung
Sa
sitwasyon
pinakabuting
ngayon.
halimbawa.
Parehong krisis yan eh.
Oo.
Di ba? But again, merong mga batas na hindi angkop doon sa present situation.
Oho.
Kung kaya't kailangan talaga ang lehislatura at saka yung ehekutibo ay magkaroon ng koordinasyon para anumang batas ang kailangan maipasa ng mabilisan
Oo.
ay magawa para hindi naman magkaroon ng tinatawag nating violation of the law ang mga magi-implement nito.
Ganun
Dahil
pala.
na crisis na itong situation na ito.
Oho.